Are you fed up with undercooked rice, complicated kitchen gadgets, and spending hours in the kitchen? I get it. It's frustrating trying to balance work, home, and family while still putting a decent meal on the table. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify your cooking and actually enjoy the process? Today, we're diving into the top 5 pressure and rice cookers that could revolutionize your kitchen routine. Make sure to check the description for direct links and some exclusive discounts. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5, the COSORI electric pressure cooker. Here's where things get interesting. The COSORI promises 9-in-1 functionality, including pressure cooking, rice preparation, steaming, and even sous vide. Sounds incredible, right? But the real question is, can it live up to the hype? One standout feature is its thoughtful safety design. The unique venting system minimizes accident risks with a 30-degree angled steam release, while the double-layer anti-scalding lid offers peace of mind, especially if you're cooking around kids. These features really show COSORI's attention to detail for home cooks who value safety. Now let's talk style. The stainless steel finish is sleek and resistant to fingerprints, always a win in a busy kitchen. But let's be honest, durability matters more than aesthetics. While some users rave about its build, others have mixed reviews when it comes to long-term reliability. And the ceramic non-stick coating? A dream for easy cleanup, but only time will tell how it holds up after months of use. Here's the heart of it: cooking performance. COSORI's 12 safety features and real-time progress bar are impressive on paper, but the real win is in the results. You're not just cooking, you're looking for meals that taste consistently great every time. Moving on to number 4, the Cuckoo CRP P1009SB rice cooker. If complexity were an art form, the Cuckoo CRP P1009SB would be a masterpiece. With 13 versatile cooking modes, it's not just a rice cooker, it's a culinary adventure waiting to happen. Curious? Let's break it down. First, the 20-cup capacity is a showstopper. Whether it's a cozy family dinner or a big gathering, this cooker has you covered. But it's not just about size, it's the fuzzy logic technology that steals the spotlight. It promises precise cooking, which means no more mushy or half-cooked rice. And let's be real, that's a frustration we've all faced at least once. Here's where it gets even more exciting. If you love experimenting with different rice types, this cooker shines. From GABA brown rice to glutinous white rice, and even new rangji, it handles it all. It's like having a personal chef for your rice cravings. The digital controls give it a sleek, modern look. But let's pause here for a moment. Modern doesn't always mean easy to use. Some customers love the endless possibilities, but others feel like they're solving a puzzle just to make dinner. One thoughtful touch? The quiet steam release. It's a small detail, but for a lot of us, it makes a big difference. That said, it's worth asking, is the quietness and versatility worth the time it takes to master this machine? At the end of the day, the Cuckoo CRP P1009SB is packed with features, but it's not for everyone. If you're ready for a little learning curve, it could be the upgrade your kitchen needs. At number 3, the Aroma Housewares 8-cup rice cooker. Budget-conscious home chefs, this one's for you. If you're all about keeping things simple in the kitchen, the Aroma Housewares 8-cup rice cooker might just become your new favorite tool. Curious? Let's see what it's all about. First, let's talk about sensor logic technology. It sounds high-tech, right? But here's what it really means. It adjusts the internal temperature to deliver perfectly cooked rice every time. Because let's face it, no one wants rice that's either rock hard or mushy. Now, this cooker keeps things practical with preset functions for white rice, brown rice, and steaming. It's straightforward, but here's the clever part. You can steam meat and vegetables at the same time as cooking your rice. For anyone juggling multiple dishes or just trying to save time, this feature can feel like a lifesaver. With a 2 8-cup capacity, it's great for smaller households or anyone who doesn't need a ton of leftovers. But let's manage expectations. This isn't going to compete with high-end restaurant-grade machines. It's all about being simple, functional, and reliable. What really stands out are the customer reviews. Beginners love how easy it is to use, which makes it perfect for anyone new to cooking or upgrading from stovetop methods. But, and here's the honest part, Some users have raised concerns about its durability over time. At the end of the day, if you want an affordable, no-fuss rice cooker that gets the job done, the Aroma Housewares 8-cup rice cooker is worth considering. Sliding into the second spot, the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker. When precision meets cooking, you get the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker, a true kitchen marvel. Think of it as the Swiss watch of rice cookers, offering meticulous temperature control for consistently flawless results. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's dive deeper. The induction heating technology isn't just a fancy term. It's all about precise, even heat distribution, ensuring every grain of rice is cooked to perfection. Because let's be honest, unevenly cooked rice can ruin even the best dishes. What's exciting is the sheer variety of rice settings: white, sushi, jasmine, sweet, porridge. This isn't just a rice cooker, it's a rice connoisseur's dream. If you're into healthier options, the brown and GABA rice modes are absolute standouts. Let's face it, cooking perfect brown rice can be a challenge, but this cooker makes it feel effortless. The LCD control panel is sleek and intuitive, while the easy-to-clean design is a practical bonus we can all appreciate. But here's where you'll need to pause and think: the price point. This isn't your everyday budget appliance. It's an investment. Here's what customers are saying. Many rave about its reliability and build quality, which is exactly what you'd expect from Zojirushi. But some do wonder whether the premium price tag matches the features. And that's a fair question. It all comes down to your cooking priorities. At the end, the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker isn't just about making rice. It's about elevating your cooking experience. If precision, versatility, and quality are your top priorities, this could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Our top pick might just surprise you. The Instant Pot Duo Pressure Cooker proves that sometimes simplicity really is the secret to success. When it comes to pressure cookers, the Instant Pot Duo isn't just a product, it's a standard setter in the kitchen. It's more than an appliance, it's a tool that redefines how we prepare meals. Curious? Let's see why it's earned the top spot. 7 cooking functions packed into one machine: pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice preparation, select yogurt making, and more. It's like having an extra set of hands in the kitchen. And for those of us who don't consider ourselves master chefs, the 13 customizable smart programs mean you can create restaurant-quality meals without breaking a sweat. But the real showstopper? Time efficiency. Cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods isn't just a claim. It's a lifesaver for busy households juggling work, kids, and everything in between. If you're feeding a family, the 6-quart capacity will quickly become your best friend. Durable stainless steel construction paired with a tri-ply bottom ensures even heat distribution, giving you consistent results every time. Of course, no product is perfect. The many buttons might feel intimidating at first, but here's the thing: with a little patience and experimentation, even first-time users will feel like pros in no time. So whether you're after time-saving meals, healthier options, or just more fun in the kitchen, this pressure cooker has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for more kitchen insights and exclusive deals.